heartbreaking actually?
That's sports. That's basketball. You get yourself in a best of three, and like I said, we were playing the hottest team in the league, rain or shine. You know, they proved me right. I want to just give props to my players for really fighting. We were down and out. We could have quit easily, but they came back. And we made a game out of it. But without some key players, and then losing Roger and even Jason in the end game, was just too much for us to overcome.
Coach, how crucial was yung exit ni Roger Pugi with 2 minutes left?
Well, nakita mo naman, we couldn't, we got the game tied. Couple of possessions, we got the ball in the hands of the guy that we wanted to shoot, but Calvin missed one, then he lost one, and then he missed a 3-point shot. On the other hand, Karakot made the 3, which was his only shot in the game, and then Mamuyak just killed us, was killing us the whole game. Hit that dagger 3, that was really the point. So, I've been around this game a long time, and I keep telling our players, it's a game of inches. One bad break here and there, one bad bounce could mean not only the ball game, but your tournament. For us, we ran into a buzz. It was rain or shine. So, credit to them. Like I told Coach Yang after the game, good luck in the semis. They're really playing well. They're a young team, very well put together, very well balanced. It should be a good series with San Miguel.
Coach, how would you assess the conference? Medyo roller coaster and din ng playoffs, medyo ininda nyo yung injuries.
Yeah, I think that's our record reflected our conference. We could never get into any kind of rhythm. We couldn't get into any kind of consistency. And then when we felt like we were going to get on a groove, we lost Brandon Rosser. And it's just symbolic of our tournament. We crashed out, didn't make the semis. Was a reflection of our game. We couldn't put a consistent game together the entire conference, and this is the result.
Coach, this early ba may naisip na kayo siguro changes or ano yung mga nilook forward niyo for next season na to make the team better?
Obviously, not only now, but even when we were struggling. But for now, we need to just sit back, evaluate, take a step back, and really look at the team and think about what our plans are to be moving forward.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Good night.